wondered why your Samsung phone asks you to sign into both a Google account and a Samsung account? Do you really need both, or can you use just one? In this video, I will explain the difference in simple terms so you know exactly which account each account does what. So I'm demonstrating on my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, but this also applies to most Android phones. So what is a Google account? Think of your Google account as your Android account. It gives you access to Google Play Store, Gmail, Google Photos, Google Drive, Google Contacts, Google Calendar, Google Backup, Find My Device. So without a Google account, downloading apps from the Play Store becomes difficult, and many Google services won't sync. So what is a Samsung account on the other hand? A Samsung account is specifically for Samsung devices. It unlocks Samsung features such as Galaxy Store, Samsung Cloud features, Smart Switch, Samsung Wallet, Samsung Teams, Find My Mobile, device customization. So if you own a Samsung phone, these features work best when you're signed into a Samsung account. So real life example would be, imagine you accidentally lose your phone. If you're signed into Google account, you can use Google Find My Device to locate it. If you're also signed into your Samsung account, you can use Samsung Find My Mobile, giving you another way to locate or secure your phone. Having both accounts give you extra protection. Demonstration on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So go to the settings on your phone. Open settings. Settings. At the very top, you will see your Samsung account. So you see that's my Samsung account. You tap this and now this is your Samsung account. Tap to view your Samsung account settings here. Okay, now go back and go to accounts and backup here. Accounts and backup, and now to manage accounts, and here you will see all the accounts connected to your phone, including your Google account. So you can add another account or remove one if necessary. Okay, so if you're on phones like Google Pixel, Motorola, OnePlus, Xiaomi, Tecno, all of that, you usually only see a Google account because these brands don't use Samsung services. So to access the account, you have to go to settings and then to password and accounts, or just see accounts, and you will manage your Google account from there. So which one do you need? If you have a Samsung phone, I recommend keeping both. Google handles Android services. Samsung unlocks Samsung exclusive features. Together, they give you the best experience. If this video helped you understand the difference, leave a comment telling me which phone you're using. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple Android tutorials every week. See you in the next one.